Hi there, my clients. Once again, we're back in our simple health knowledge. We have new topic today. We'll discuss today about colloidal silver. The first
Wow.
question we heard is, what does it mean? Or what is colloidal silver? Because we just only know about silver as coins, as medals, and jewelry. I look for a source that can supply a good explanation about our topics. Science and history can answer some question. First of all, we should know what is silver. What is silver? It derived from the Anglo-Saxons name sulfur. The Anglo-Saxons period in Britain was almost 6 centuries from 420 AD to 1000 AD. They call it sulfur because of its relatively soft, shining metal. It tarnishes slowly in the air as sulfur compounds react with the surface, forming black silver sulfide. Silver has no biological role, but a chronic ingestion of silver compound can lead to a condition called argyria, which result in a greenish pigmentation of the skin and mucous membranes. Silver has antibacterial properties and can kill lower organisms quite effectively. That is why this metal was used in many forms as an antimicrobial. It was used in some electronics and batteries, also woven into clothing to prevent bacteria. According to the Royal Society of Chemistry, it was also played a big role in early photography, and they still remain part of photographic process even with the digital cameras today. Silver atomic symbol is Ag. Ag means in short for argentum's, a Latin word with the atomic number of 47. Silver antimicrobial properties have put the elements to prevent infections to injuries for hundreds of years according to World International. But it doesn't kill microbes in its metallic form, in which it is reactive. This metal works against bacteria in ion form. It must lose an electron to become positively charged, and this positively charged silver interfere with bacterial cells wall and disrupt other microbial process. There are so many testings in these studies concerning silver health care, but they don't came in same analysis. Example is from the Science and Society about these questions. Does taking colloidal silver have health benefits? The simple answer is no. In fact, there is evidence that taking it orally can actually cause harm because the term colloidal just means that the particles of silver is too small, that they do not settle out of the solution according to our source. But due to the emergence of antimicrobial resistance, new alternative therapies are needed. The appearance of MDR bacteria makes it impossible to find an effective drug to treat certain infection. The MDR is from the infection caused by multi-drug resistance, the gram-negative bacteria and the gram-positive bacteria. Therefore, there is an urgent need to find new therapeutic approaches to achieve success in the bacterial infection treatment. Silver was used to treat bacterial infection since antiquity due to its known antimicrobial properties. They are good. In this context, colloidal silver gained renewed interest according to the report. Our source, the PMC Lab, that colloidal silver can significantly reduce the duration of many bacteria. Colloidal, from a Greek word colloids, which means glue-like or jelly-like substance, a translucent gelatinous substance resulting from certain forms of tissue degeneration or pertaining to a colloidal state. One of the main characteristics of silver is its oligodynamic effect, which is defined as the high microbial capacity of silver ion in water at a very low concentrations, 1 part in a million. It is biologically active when it is in the ionic monoatomic state Ag+, soluble in an aqueous environment, water or tissue fluids. Despite of this, still many controversial reports on the studies of the antimicrobial activity of colloidal silver, in which the aim of these studies was to determine the vitro activities of colloidal silver against gram-negative bacteria and gram-positive bacteria, as well as to give clues on its mechanism of action. How interesting our simple health knowledge topic today. But maybe this is not still the conclusion because of so many studies still around the world. But to prove for myself how it be beneficial to use, I got one spray bottle of this, the amazing silver, and I found it amazing. I use it. Yes, I use it. It can be drink orally. When my eyes got irritated, I spray like that. I spray. When my gums ache, I spray like that. When my hands become itchy because of allergy, I spray. Yes, I spray. When I feel itchy in my back, even my sister's back, we spray. And we don't scratch. It just sprayed. And with this amazing silver, we know that the bacteria killed. Woo! How amazing aging. Thank you. Thank you also all my clients. But before leaving, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks be to God.